Hello and welcome to Crewe Audi. My name's Natalia and today I'll be showing you around this brand new Audi A1 Sportback finished in the metallic python yellow. This car comes with LED headlights as well as LED rear lights, really brightening up the road conditions for the driver. And here we have the 18-inch alloy wheels. These are the 7-spoke rotor design wheels and they really do make the whole car look fantastic. Along the bottom we can see some of that silver trim. As this A1 is an S-Line model, we do have the signature S-Line branding. And as it is also the black edition, we do have the black wing mirrors, the black trim around the windows, black roof, and the privacy glass. Detailing around this car really does make the yellow stand out. And as we move away, this car does come with rear parking sensors, which makes parking it and manoeuvring it an absolute breeze. Moving along to the boot. There is space to fit the weekly shop, a pram, even a couple of suitcases, and if you do find yourself needing any more room, the back seats do fold down. This is a 5-door, 5-seater Audi, meaning that there is 3 spaces in the back for passengers. Here you can see there is plenty of leg room. They've all got headrests. And 2 of the back seats do also come with ISOFIX fittings, which make putting in and taking out child seats really easy. Move to the front of the car. Here we have the controls for the electrically adjustable and heated wing mirrors, as well as the front and back windows. We can see some more of that S-Line branding. This is the S-Line door sill trim. And the 2 front seats are also the sport seats with the S-Line embossed logo in them. As we move over to the very front of the car, I'm just zooming in on some of the detailing along the edge of the passenger side. This car does come with the 3-spoke 11 multifunction steering wheel with the S-Line badging on the bottom. You can see it also has the digital display right in front of you. The buttons on the steering wheel allow you to navigate around the screen. You can access your contacts if your device is connected, scroll through the radio options, as well as access any other driver information. This car does come with cruise control, which is perfect for those longer motorway drives, as well as automatic headlights. Move over, we can see the touchscreen multimedia interface display. This adds a little bit more functionality to the car. You can access your radio stations as well as your phone contacts if your device is connected. This car does also come with Apple CarPlay. And you can also access other driver information. As we move down, we've got the climate control system, which is all controlled by 3 separate dials as demonstrated. Vehicle does also come with 2 USB-C connection points. As this A1 is a manual, we do have the Audi manual gear stick. If you would like to find out any more information about this bright A1, please do not hesitate to contact one of our sales advisors at Crewe Audi at 01270 864 091. Thank you for watching.